Nestled in the quiet southeastern corner of Huntsville, Alabama, a vital piece of infrastructure has suffered a stunning collapse. This is the site of the Aldridge Creek Railroad Bridge, once a crucial link for the Huntsville and Madison County Railroad Authority. What once carried freight across this lush green belt now lies in silent ruin. On approximately July 23rd, a section of the aging railroad bridge gave way, sending steel, wood, and ballast tumbling into the waters of Aldridge Creek. While no train was crossing at the time, the failure has drawn sharp attention to the state of all rail infrastructure in the region. The bridge, believed to have been in service for decades, had supported countless rail shipments through the Huntsville industrial line. The cause of the collapse is still under investigation, but early observations point to structural fatigue and potential foundation compromise beneath the creek bed. This spur line, operated by the HMCRA, connects local industries to the national rail network. While lightly trafficked compared to major corridors, its role is essential in supporting local manufacturing, warehousing, and logistics operations throughout Madison County. Just downstream, Aldridge Creek continues its steady path through neighborhoods, parks, and public spaces. The collapse has raised concern among residents who frequently walk or bike nearby, with many calling for improved oversight of infrastructure intersecting with recreational areas. From above, the scale of the damage becomes clear. Steel I-beams lie twisted and submerged, while the railroad itself ends abruptly mid-air. Temporary fencing and inspection crews now mark the only activity at the scene as officials assess next steps for cleanup and repair. Beyond the transport implications, the environmental impact on Aldridge Creek is also a growing concern. Structural debris has partially blocked water flow, raising fears of erosion, flooding, and disruption to local aquatic habitats already under pressure. This isolated bridge is part of a much broader network linking a city that's rapidly growing, modernizing, and rethinking how it moves goods and people. The incident serves as a stark reminder that even small links in the chain demand constant vigilance and investments. As the investigation continues, city officials, rail engineers, and community leaders are working to ensure that any reconstruction meets modern standards and that other bridges like this one receive the scrutiny they need before failure strikes again. For now, Aldridge Creek flows on, quiet and steady beneath the shadow of collapse, but in the wake of twisted steel and disrupted lines lies an opportunity to rebuild smarter, safer, and stronger for the next generation of Huntsville's railways.